An old doctor, well past his 90s, once shared with me, "I've gotten into the habit of mixing onion and honey to handle health issues as I've aged beyond 60. I jotted it down thinking it sounded odd at first, but after some research and consultations, I uncovered remarkable facts about these two ingredients. What I found was truly inspiring, and that's what led to today's video. So here are 15 ways that onion and honey can help transform your health after 60. Easing joint pain and inflammation. Joint pain and inflammation can make even the simplest tasks feel like a struggle, right? Imagine trying to get up in the morning or climb a set of stairs with that constant ache. It's no fun at all. But here's where onion and honey can come to the rescue. Believe it or not, onions contain a powerful compound called quercetin. This little gem is a natural anti-inflammatory agent helping reduce joint pain from the inside out. And honey, besides being a sweet treat, it carries its own soothing properties that help ease inflammation. Think of this combo like a warm, gentle balm working its way through those achy joints. A friend of mine who's been dealing with knee pain for years actually started trying this every morning. Just a small dose of onion juice with honey, and she swears her knees have felt better than they have in a long time. Waking up with less discomfort and more freedom to move, that's a win, right? Boosting the immune system. And let's be real, as we get a bit older, who doesn't want to give their immune system a little extra support? This is where our onion and honey mix can truly shine. Onions are rich in antioxidants that neutralize those pesky free radicals, helping keep our immune defenses strong. Meanwhile, honey's natural antibacterial and antiviral properties act like a gentle shield, giving your body the backup it needs to fend off colds, flu, and other seasonal bugs. A personal tip here, I started using this mix myself during flu season, and the difference has been noticeable. Fewer sniffles, less downtime. It's almost like adding an extra layer of armor for your immune system, helping you bounce back faster and keep feeling your best. Reducing blood pressure. Now let's talk about something a lot of us keep an eye on. Blood pressure. As the years go by, managing it can become a bit of a balancing act. That's where this onion and honey mix can lend a hand. Onions are naturally rich in sulfur compounds that help relax blood vessels, which can lead to a gradual reduction in blood pressure. And honey steps in by reducing oxidative stress, giving your heart that little bit of extra support it needs. Here's a small habit to try. Take your honey and onion mixture in the morning before breakfast. A little consistency goes a long way, and over time, you might notice that your blood pressure becomes more stable. It's a natural boost to your cardiovascular health that just fits right into your daily routine. Supporting heart health. Let's talk about the heart, the center of everything we do, especially as we get older. Heart health is the foundation of overall wellness, and after 60, it deserves even more of our attention. Our friends onion and honey step in here as a natural team for heart support. Onions are packed with flavonoids, which have been shown to help maintain good cholesterol levels. Think of these flavonoids as tiny helpers that support the good cholesterol, HDL, while keeping the bad cholesterol, LDL, in check. It's like a gentle nudge towards better balance. And honey, it has some impressive benefits too. Studies have shown that honey may reduce LDL, that bad cholesterol that clogs up our arteries over time. With just a teaspoon of this mix daily, you're giving your heart a little extra love. A small step with a huge impact. Imagine your heart as the engine of your body. This simple remedy could be the fuel that keeps it running smoothly, day in and day out. It's a habit that's as easy as it is effective, and it might just be one of the best things you can do for long-term heart health. Easing cold and flu symptoms. When it comes to colds and flu, onions and honey have earned their place in the world of natural remedies. You know how miserable a cold can be. Constant coughing, a scratchy throat, and that feeling of congestion that just won't go away? Well, onions work as natural expectorants, which means they help to break down mucus, making it easier to clear out your airways. Honey, on the other hand, is soothing and calming. It coats the throat and helps ease that nagging cough, giving you a bit of relief. One winter, I was hit hard with a cough that just wouldn't quit. I started taking a spoonful of onion and honey a few times a day, and within a couple of days, I could feel my airways opening up, and my throat felt more at ease. By the second night, I was able to sleep soundly without that constant tickle waking me up. Since then, it's become my go-to whenever I feel the slightest cold coming on. This simple remedy isn't just a treatment, it's a way to make those tough winter days a little easier to handle. Improving respiratory health. Now, if you're dealing with asthma, seasonal allergies, or any kind of respiratory issue, this combination might be a game changer for you. You see, the sulfur compounds in onions work like a natural decongestant, helping to open up airways and make breathing a bit easier. Imagine taking a deep breath without that feeling of tightness or wheezing. It's such a relief. And honey plays its part by reducing inflammation in the throat and lungs, making breathing smoother and more comfortable. If allergy season is tough on you, or if asthma sometimes gets in the way of a good day, adding this mix to your routine could make a noticeable difference. Think of it as a way to support your lungs naturally, giving them the boost they need to handle those triggers that used to cause discomfort. It's a small habit that could offer big relief, making each breath a little easier and each day a little brighter. Supporting digestive health. Let's face it, a happy gut can make all the difference in how we feel day to day. Our digestion affects our energy, mood, and even our overall comfort, and that's where onion and honey work their magic together. Onion juice brings a powerful blend of fiber and prebiotics, essential nutrients that feed the beneficial bacteria in our gut, helping it stay balanced and efficient. Meanwhile, honey steps in with its natural enzymes, which help break down food more effectively, allowing us to absorb nutrients better. Try a small amount of this mixture before meals and let it do the work. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle push in the right direction, helping to reduce bloating and making you feel lighter and more comfortable after you eat. Think of it as a simple way to keep things running smoothly, from the first bite to the last. Managing blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar in check is a priority for many, especially as we get older, and this simple onion and honey mix might surprise you with its benefits. Onions contain chromium, a trace mineral known for helping the body regulate blood sugar naturally, while honey serves as a great alternative to refined sugar with a lower glycemic impact that won't spike blood sugar levels as quickly. If you're watching your sugar intake, swapping out regular sugar for honey is a great start. Add a bit of onion juice to your daily routine, and over time, this little change can help support steady blood sugar levels. It's a small adjustment with a potentially big payoff, keeping you feeling balanced and energized throughout the day. Promoting skin health. It's not just what's on the inside that counts. Onion and honey have some wonderful benefits for the outside too. With vitamins A, C, and E packed into onions, this mix does wonders for the skin. These vitamins help improve skin elasticity, reduce signs of aging, and give your complexion a healthy, vibrant glow. Meanwhile, honey works as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and leaving it feeling soft and nourished. If you're up for a little DIY skincare, try mixing a few drops of onion juice with a bit of honey and applying it as a face mask. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse it off to reveal refreshed, hydrated skin. This little treatment can be like a mini spa day at home, simple yet effective, enhancing hair health. And for those looking to give their hair some extra love, onion and honey offer amazing benefits here as well. Onion juice has been shown to stimulate hair growth and reduce dandruff, making it a fantastic natural solution for thinning hair or a dry scalp. Honey, on the other hand, helps add moisture and shine, leaving hair feeling softer and looking fuller. A friend of mine was struggling with thinning hair and tried this mix on her scalp, leaving it in for about 15-20 minutes before rinsing. She was thrilled with the results, noticing that her scalp felt healthier and her hair looked more vibrant after just a few applications. Yes, the smell might be strong, but for those results, it's absolutely worth it. Improving sleep quality. Sleep, good, restful sleep, is the cornerstone of overall health, impacting everything from our mood to our energy levels. Yet, as many of us know all too well, achieving quality sleep can be elusive, especially as we age. Here's where the surprising duo of onion and honey steps in as a natural, gentle sleep aid. Honey has long been cherished as a remedy for promoting relaxation and deeper sleep. Its natural sugars can help increase insulin slightly, which allows tryptophan, an amino acid, to enter the brain. Once there, tryptophan is converted to serotonin and eventually to melatonin, the hormone that signals our bodies to sleep. Adding onion into the mix may sound unconventional, but it has its own calming effects. Onions contain L-tryptophan as well, and while this alone may not replace sleep medications, it can be a subtle, natural way to encourage your body to wind down. Taking a teaspoon of this blend before bed might be just what you need to feel relaxed and ready for sleep, especially on those nights when comfort seems hard to find. Think of it as a small, comforting ritual to end your day, one that lets your mind and body know it's time to rest and rejuvenate. Aiding in weight management. For those mindful of maintaining a healthy weight, onion and honey could offer gentle support as part of a balanced lifestyle. Onions are nutrient-dense yet low in calories, making them a fantastic addition to any diet aimed at weight maintenance or even weight loss. They are loaded with fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer and supports healthy digestion, reducing the likelihood of overeating. And honey? Well, it's more than just a natural sweetener. Honey has the potential to curb sugar cravings, offering a more stable source of energy than refined sugars. It prevents the spike and crash effect associated with processed sweets, keeping you feeling satisfied without the added calories. If you ever find yourself reaching for a snack out of habit or craving something sweet, try a small spoonful of this mixture instead. It can satisfy those cravings in a healthier way, helping you stay on track with your weight goals. While it's not a miracle weight loss solution, this natural blend can serve as a valuable ally, especially when combined with mindful eating and an active lifestyle. In the long run, small habits like these can make managing your weight feel less like a chore and more like a series of smart, supportive choices for your body. Boosting overall energy. Let's talk about energy. Who doesn't need a little extra boost, especially in the mornings or mid-afternoon? While it's tempting to reach for coffee or a sugary snack, onion and honey offer a natural alternative for sustainable energy. This mix is packed with nutrients and natural sugars that provide a steady release of energy, helping to avoid the crash that often follows caffeine or processed sweets. Onions contain essential minerals like manganese, which is involved in energy production, while honey's natural sugars are easily processed by the body for a gentle, long-lasting energy boost. Imagine starting your day with a small dose of this mix instead of coffee. You might be surprised at how energized you feel, ready to tackle tasks without that jittery, rushed feeling. Over time, you may find that this natural energy source makes a noticeable difference, helping you stay active and alert without relying on stimulants. It's a simple but effective way to keep up with the demands of each day. Enhancing bone health. As the years go by, keeping our bones strong becomes increasingly important. Weak or brittle bones can lead to fractures, affecting mobility and independence. Onions play a role here with their high levels of sulfur compounds, which are essential for healthy connective tissue and bone health. Sulfur also aids in calcium absorption, a critical mineral for maintaining bone density. Without sufficient sulfur, our bones and connective tissues might not get the support they need, potentially leading to a higher risk of fractures. Honey complements this by providing antioxidants that protect the bones from oxidative damage, which can lead to bone weakening over time. Including a small amount of onion and honey in your daily routine could be an easy, proactive step towards stronger bones. Think of it as giving your body an extra layer of protection, helping to reduce the risk of fractures and bone loss as you age. Supporting eye health. And finally, let's not forget about eye health, a concern that becomes more relevant with age. Onions are naturally rich in vitamin A, a vital nutrient for maintaining clear, sharp vision. Vitamin A supports the health of the retina, helping to prevent age-related conditions like macular degeneration and night blindness. Meanwhile, honey adds a dose of antioxidants that help protect eye cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to vision problems as we get older. Adding a small amount of this mix to your daily routine could be beneficial for anyone wanting to maintain healthy eyesight. It's a gentle way to nourish the eyes and protect them from the effects of aging, offering you a little extra support for clearer, sharper vision over time. When to avoid onion and honey mix. While onion and honey are natural and often beneficial, there are certain times when it's best to exercise caution or even skip this mix entirely. Let's go over a few situations where it might not be the best choice. Digestive sensitivity. If you have a sensitive stomach or conditions like gastritis or acid reflux, the strong compounds in onion juice could potentially irritate your digestive tract. The sulfur compounds that make onions so powerful for many people can be a bit harsh on delicate stomachs. If you're interested in trying it, start with a very small amount to see how your body reacts. If you notice any discomfort, it's best to avoid it altogether. Diabetes. Honey is natural, but it still contains sugars that can impact blood sugar levels. If you're managing diabetes or taking medication to regulate blood sugar, it's wise to check with your doctor before incorporating honey regularly. While honey is often touted as a healthier alternative to refined sugars, even natural sugars can have an effect. So it's best to stay cautious. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may have an allergy to honey or onions. Common allergic reactions include itching, rash, or even difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's best to stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. Allergies can develop unexpectedly, so pay attention to your body's signals, especially when trying new remedies. Blood thinning medications. Onions naturally contain compounds that act as blood thinners, which can be great for heart health. However, if you're already on prescribed blood thinning medication, this combination might make your blood too thin, increasing the risk of bleeding. Always consult a healthcare provider if you're on medications to ensure there are no interactions. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Generally, onions and honey are considered safe for most people. However, during pregnancy and breastfeeding, it's always a good idea to double check with your healthcare provider. Natural remedies, although beneficial, can sometimes have unexpected effects on pregnant or nursing individuals, and it's best to proceed with caution. In any of these cases, it's better to play it safe. While onion and honey have so much to offer, your individual health needs and conditions come first. Always listen to your body and seek professional advice if you're unsure. It's the best way to ensure that any remedy you try truly supports your health journey. How to make this simple remedy? Now that we've looked at the benefits and a few situations to keep in mind, let's dive into how you can make this easy remedy right at home. It's quick, simple, and takes only a few minutes to prepare. Juice an onion. Start with a small onion, yellow or red, both work well. Grate it or pop it into a blender to get the juice. If grating, you might want to use a fine mesh strainer to collect the juice easily. Onion juice may smell strong, but trust me, it's worth it. Mix with honey. In a small bowl, add 1-2 teaspoons of fresh onion juice to a teaspoon of honey. You can adjust the proportions based on your preference, but this mix should have a nice balance of sweetness to offset the onion's strong taste. Stir well. Give it a good stir until the two ingredients are fully blended together. And just like that, it's ready to go. For the best results, try taking this mix once a day. Many people prefer it in the morning to kickstart their day, but taking it before bed works well too, especially if you're looking to improve sleep quality. Try it out for a couple of weeks, pay attention to how you feel, and see which benefits you notice most. Onion and honey, a simple natural remedy trusted by generations, may be exactly what your body needs to boost energy, soothe joints, strengthen immunity, and so much more. With just a few minutes in the kitchen, this daily spoonful can be an easy, effective way to support your health. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with friends and loved ones on WhatsApp. Sometimes the best wellness secrets are worth spreading, especially when they come straight from nature. Here's to supporting our well-being, one small step at a time.